Biology. I'm on a group of chairs of biology all around the state, and when I tell them what they're doing, everyone's surprised. They're like, wow, you have a cadaver lab. That's amazing. Wow, you've got a turtle assurance colony. Like, we're saving animals from extinction here on campus. I'm Marina Smitherman. I'm the chair of the Department of Life Sciences here at Dalton State, and I started in 2008, almost 15 years ago, as an assistant professor of biology. I really believe we've changed a lot over the last 2 decades. I really believe that we do everything that a big school does, but in a small school environment. You've got faculty who love to be here, they love to do what they do. They love to work with the students, and you've got small class sizes, so instead of being one of 300 students in a lecture hall, you're one of 24, which for us as faculty is amazing, because when you write a reference or you get to know a student, you're helping them with their career goals, you truly know that student.
I think I love just the inviting nature of Dalton State. Like, the professors were really nice, very friendly. All the organizations and volunteering and getting involved, it was really easy. My name's Maria Betts-Diaz, and I got a bachelor's in biology, and I'm currently working as a phlebotomist here at the OBGYN Center. And I graduated in December 2019. So once I graduated, I decided that I was going to apply to PA school and med school, and whichever one I got into. And with the help of Dr. Smitherman and other professors here, I studied for the MCAT. They wrote my letters of recommendation. All the volunteering I had done here really helped too. So then I applied and I got accepted. I think my time at Dalton State definitely prepared me. I think as far as the life aspect, I feel like Dalton State does a really good job of just kind of being like, hey, these are your options. You don't have to necessarily follow this path, but you don't have to go to graduate school. You can keep working. Here are some job opportunities for you to go to once you graduate.
Dalton State's projects stick out because no one else is really doing the project like we do it. My name is Chris Manis. I'm a biology professor here at Dalton State College. Here at Dalton State, I teach biology classes, some herpetology classes, which are all about reptiles and amphibians, and I run or assist in running a few projects, of course, dealing with turtles and tortoises here on campus. The Dalton State College Turtle Assurance Colony, or TAC for short, is an ARC colony type of project. This takes the form of a project that encompasses about 15 different species of turtles and tortoises that are either extinct in the wild or they're not doing so hot. Like, if you're working on a lab-based project like physics or chemistry, they're not as time sensitive. For a project like this, you're working with living animals that depend on you for their every need and for their just daily cycle. The only other institutions that have similar projects are going to be zoos and aquaria. And so students who are interested in getting a hands-on skill set with working on endangered species, and specifically endangered species of turtles and tortoises, they've got to give Dalton State a hard look.
I toured other colleges and they just weren't right for me, but Dalton State seemed right for me. My name's Catherine Stafford. I go by Katie. I'm a junior here at Dalton State, and I'm also a biology major. I am a microbiology TA. I'm also part of the TAC here at Dalton State, and I'm an intern through Dalton State with Southern Chemical and Textiles here in Dalton. I've really enjoyed being a teacher assistant for Dr. K's microbiology class, and my internship where I also practice microbiology. So I was thinking about going to grad school for microbiology, and without doing all these extracurriculars that Dalton State offered me, then I may have not been able to figure that out. If someone was contemplating Dalton State, I would tell them to go for it for sure. I mean, you can't beat the prices to come here, you can't beat the faculty that's here. And just, it kind of gives that homey feel, in my opinion. Just, since it's kind of a small campus size, you don't have to, walk miles to get to your class or anything. So I think it's pretty neat coming here, and I would recommend it to everybody.